Welcome to Maps of India. Today, we are exploring the heart of India, Delhi. From grand Mughal monuments to the modern skyscrapers, from street food in Chandni Chowk to the park corridors of New Delhi. This city blends history, culture, and politics like no other place in the country. So, if you have ever wondered what makes Delhi so special, stay with me till the end. Let's discover Delhi together. Delhi, officially known as the National Capital Territory of Delhi (NCT), is the capital of India and one of the country's most significant urban hubs. With a history that seamlessly blends ancient tradition with modern dynamism, Delhi is referred to as the City of Cities or Heart of India. It is the seat of all three branches of Indian government and is renowned for its monuments, cosmopolitan lifestyle, and economic vitality. New Delhi, planned district within Delhi, serves as the capital of India. Delhi is bordered primarily by the states of Haryana to the west, north, and south, and Uttar Pradesh to the east across the Yamuna River. It forms the core of sprawling National Capital Region (NCR), which also includes cities such as Noida, Gurugram, Ghaziabad, and Faridabad. Formation. The formation of present day Delhi is rooted in both its ancient heritage and its transformation in the 20th century. While continuous settlements existed for millennia, the Delhi seen today took shape when, in 1911, the British decided to shift the capital of India from Calcutta then to Delhi. New Delhi was meticulously planned and designed by the British architect Sir Edwin Lutyens, along with Herbert Baker, between 1912 and 1930. After independence in 1947, Delhi continued as the national capital and in 1991 was granted special status as the National Capital Territory with its own legislature. In 2023, the Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi Amendment Act 2023 also strengthened the role and powers of the Lieutenant Governor over the elected government of Delhi, particularly in matters related to civil services and administration. Capital, area, and population. Delhi, officially known as the National Capital Territory of Delhi, has a New Delhi as its capital, covering an area of approximately 1,484 square kilometers. Delhi ranks as one of the smaller union territories and states in terms of area in India. However, it is among the most densely populated with projected population of over 20 million in 2025 for NCT Delhi and over 34 million in the broader NCR, making it the second most populous urban agglomeration in India after Mumbai and one of the largest metropolitan areas globally. History. Delhi's heritage spans thousands of years. Delhi has a rich and layered history that spans several millennia, witnessing the rise and fall of powerful empires, each leaving an indelible mark on its culture and architecture. Delhi's origins date back to ancient times, with the legendary city of Indraprastha, founded by the Pandavas during the Mahabharat era around 1400 to 1200 BCE. Archaeological excavation indicate continuous human settlements from the Maurya period onwards. The Tomura dynasty established the fortified city of Lalkot in 736 CE, which later expanded under the Chauhans into Kila Rai Pithoda by 12th century. The period set the foundation for Delhi as significant urban center in northern India. Delhi rose to prominence during the medieval period, beginning with the establishment of the Delhi Sultanate in 1206 by Qutbuddin Aibak. The Sultanate consisted of five dynasties: the Mamluk (1206 to 1290), Khilji (1290 to 1320), Tughlaq (1320 to 1414), Sayyid 1414 to 1451 and Lodi 1451 to 1526. This era saw the construction of monumental architecture such as Qutub Minar, completed in 1388, and numerous forts. After the decline of Sultanate in 1526, Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi at First Battle of Panipat. The Mughals ruled until the 18th century, with Emperor Shah Jahan establishing Shahjahanabad, Old Delhi between 1638 and 1648. Mughal rule waned after Aurangzeb's death in 1707. In 1803, Delhi came under British control. In 1911, the British shifted India's capital from Calcutta to Delhi. After independence, in 1947, Delhi was declared as the capital of the Republic of India. The above timeline highlights Delhi's evolution from mythic beginnings through medieval power struggles to its current role as India's vibrant capital. Rivers. The Yamuna River is Delhi's primary river and a sacred waterway in northern India. Originating from the Yamunotri Glacier in Uttarakhand, it enters Delhi from the north and flows south through the city before continuing towards Uttar Pradesh, where it meets the Ganga at Prayagraj. The Yamuna flows through the state of Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Delhi, and Uttar Pradesh. It has a total length of 1,376 kilometers and 52 kilometers of the river flows through Delhi. The floodplains of Yamuna have greatly shaped Delhi's geography, providing irrigation, supporting biodiversity, and influencing settlement patterns. Historically, the river's proximity has been a major factor in successive capitals being established here. Languages. Delhi is a linguistically diverse city with several languages spoken due to its cosmopolitan population. The official languages of Delhi are Hindi and English, used widely in administration, education, and daily communication. Additionally, Urdu and Punjabi hold the status of second official languages, reflecting the cultural and historical presence of Muslim and Punjabi communities in the city. Hindi is the most widely spoken language, especially among the majority Hindu population. Urdu is prevalent in areas like Old Delhi with a rich literary and cultural heritage, and Punjabi is widely spoken among Punjabis and Sikhs living in Delhi. English serves as a lingua franca across communities, especially among the youth, education sectors, business, and tourism. Besides these, many other Indian languages such as Marathi, Sindhi, Gujarati, Tamil, Nepali, Malayalam, and Oriya are also spoken by smaller communities, making Delhi a true melting pot of languages. Culture. Delhi's culture is a vibrant blend shaped by its rich history and the diverse communities that have settled in the city over centuries. Religious and cultural festivals such as Diwali, Holi, Eid, Christmas, Guru Purab, and Phool Walon Ki Sair are celebrated with great enthusiasm, showcasing the city's spirit of unity in diversity. The city is known for its traditional arts and crafts. Classical dance forms such as Kathak thrive alongside vibrant folk music and literary festivals, reflecting Delhi's artistic richness. Overall, Delhi's culture is a dynamic fusion where historical grandeur meets contemporary creativity, making it one of India's most exciting and culturally inclusive cities. Food. Delhi's cuisine is a vibrant reflection of its rich cultural tapestry, shaped by centuries of history and diverse influence. From royal Mughlai feasts to bustling street food stalls, the city offers an unparalleled gastronomic journey full of bold flavors and textures. Here is the list of top 10 cuisines. Chole Bhature, spicy chickpea curry paired with deep fried fluffy bread, a beloved staple breakfast. Butter chicken, creamy buttery chicken curry invented in Delhi, is known worldwide for its rich taste. Paranthas from Paranthe Wali Gali. Stuffed Indian flatbread with fillings ranging from potatoes to radish and sweets. Aloo tikki. Crisp, spiced potato patties served with tangy chutneys and yogurt. Jalebi. Sweet spiral-shaped fried dessert soaked in syrup. Nihari. Slow-cooked meat stew, traditionally a breakfast delicacy. Kebabs. Mughal-styled grilled meat including seekh and galoti kebabs. Rajma chawal. Red kidney beans in spicy gravy served over steamed rice. Golgappe, pani puri. Hollow crisp puris filled with a spicy and tangy water with potatoes and chickpeas. Kulfi, a traditional Indian frozen dairy dessert made from thickened milk and flavored with cardamom, saffron, and pistachios. Together, these dishes showcase Delhi's blend of Mughal grandeur, Punjabi zest, and street food vibrancy, making it a true food lover's paradise. Tourism. Delhi, the vibrant capital of India, is a city steeped in history and culture, boasting a rich array of architectural marvels, bustling markets, and serene green spaces that attract millions of tourists annually. Its blend of ancient monuments and modern attractions offers something for every traveler. Here are the top 10 tourist attractions in Delhi. Red Fort. Built in 1648 by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, the Red Fort, Lal Killa, is an iconic symbol of India's rich Mughal heritage. Its massive red sandstone walls, intricate architecture, and the sound and light show make it a must visit. Qutub Minar, the tallest brick minaret in India. Built in the early 13th century, the Qutub Minar is a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its stunning carvings and its surrounding Humayun's tomb. The 16th century Garden Tomb is a precursor to Taj Mahal's architecture and is famous for its beautiful Persian-style gardens and intricate stonework. India Gate, a war memorial dedicated to Indian soldiers who died during World War I. India Gate is an impressive, massive structure and a popular picnic spot, especially in the evenings. Jama Masjid, one of India's largest mosques, built by Shah Jahan in 1658. Jama Masjid features vast courtyards and towering minarets offering panoramic views from its upper levels. Akshardham Temple, opened in 2005, this sprawling temple complex showcases India's culture, spirituality, and architecture with elaborate carvings, exhibition, and water shows. Chandni Chowk, a bustling historic market established in the 17th century, famous for its narrow lanes, vibrant bazaars, street food, and shopping experiences. Lodi Gardens, a peaceful urban park dotted with tombs and structures from the 15th to 16th centuries, ideal for walks, picnics, and bird watching. Gurdwara Bangla Sahib, a prominent Sikh temple known for its golden dome, holy pond, and a community kitchen serving free meals to thousands daily. Jantar Mantar, an 18th century astronomical observatory built by Maharaja Jai Singh II with 13 architectural instruments to study celestial bodies. These remarkable sites collectively reveal Delhi's layered history, cultural diversity, and a modern-day vibrancy. A visit to Delhi offers an immersive experience where history meets contemporary life, ensuring unforgettable memories for every traveler. And that was our journey through Delhi, a city where every street tells a story and every corner holds a piece of history. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Maps of India for more amazing cities and geography content. Tell me in the comments which city should we explore next. See you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring India.